Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today, I'm doing a little different. I'm going to be doing a swipe, but I'm doing it in a different way. Instead of putting the colors down, I'm going to put the colors down on my palette knife. So we'll see how this goes. The color for my base paint today is this custom mix silver. What I used was Gray by Artist Loft. I mixed in some iridescent silver. This is by Petio. And then I added a little green gray to it, touch of white, and also some DecoArt Pearl. Alright, so there's a lot of paints in this one, but I mixed it up with my regular floetrol and water. Okay, so I already laid that down. The colors I'm going to use today is the Playful Pink by Arteza. Then I have this like portrait pink that I already had mixed up. I have to check it because it's been a while. That should be okay, but I'll check that. I have, oh gosh, I'm spilling it. Oh my gosh. This is a, this one is the White Flash. I have some Pink Quartz by Modern Masters. So I have all these colors already mixed up previously. And then I have the silver color shift. Okay, so I think it'll be really pretty. And I'll probably use it, put a little black in. And the black I'll use will be a metallic black color shift that I have mixed up. Okay, so I am going to see how this goes. Put some music on and play it for you and see how it goes. I might end up having to swipe my normal way, but I saw someone doing this on YouTube. Not YouTube, I'm sorry, on Instagram. And I was like, oh, that's really cool. Let me try it since I love to do the swipes. So we're going to give it a shot. All right. All right, so this came out really nice, but I do think my mistake was the woman I saw doing this on Instagram used the pouring, the bloom method of pouring, which is a totally different mixture of paints, except for what I'm using to swipe with, which is the floetrol and Amsterdam white. That's the cell activator in the bloom method, and it's Shelly Bloom method. If you're unfamiliar with that, you can go check out her channel. She has a course you can take. I didn't take the course. I don't really do the blooms. I've done a couple times. It's just not my thing. It's just not to be, not to say that it's not. I think it looks great. But it's just a lot of mixing you need different kinds of paints, you need a paint base. It's just too much work for me. I like to just do my floetrol, and I get the effect that I like just using the cell activator, which is the floetrol. I use American floetrol to 4 parts American floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white, titanium white paint. I have tried it with the Australian floetrol. I don't find much of a difference. The only difference I did find is that you get a little bit finer lacing with the Australian, but if you just thin your American floetrol a little bit more, or some people add wood conditioner oil to it, I don't do that. I find that I get the effects that I like that way. So I think the Australian floetrol is 3-to-1 mixture. I use a 4-to-1 mixture with the American floetrol. I think I said that right. The Australian mixture, I think, is like a 3-to-1. Okay. Because I think it's just a little thinner. But anyway, I hope I didn't confuse you by saying all that. But go check out Shelly Art, and you can check out blooms if you're unfamiliar with them. But anyway, I think that's what she was doing, and she had put it on a spinner and spun it out. I wanted to try it this way. I actually liked the way it kind of, when I first put it down, it kind of went under the paint, which is kind of cool. Kind of gave it a different effect, and then I just put some more color on it because it just wasn't if I had my spinner, maybe it would have spun out. It wouldn't have looked like this. I like the controlled swipe. I like to be able to be in control of where I'm swiping with my palette knife. So I have done the spin, and they come out cool. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, that's about it. Have a great day. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.